So here's the Victorinox Swiss Army knife Spartan Serrated. The blade there is serrated, which is unusual. It's hard to find that. It's a two-layer knife, so it's very skinny. It's got the bottle opener, the can opener. They also have extra screwdriver devices. The incredibly sharp serrated blade, normal blade, small one, a awl with an eye hook, tweezers and toothpick, and corkscrew. And this is not a plus scale knife. It does not have the pen, nor does it have the hole for... Wait, maybe it does have a hole. Okay, it does have a hole, but it doesn't come with a pin to stick in that hole. That's kind of interesting. In this video, we're going to put it through its paces, and some people may not believe me, but I think the reason they stopped making these is that the knife was dangerously sharp, and they probably wanted to avoid lawsuits. I'll show you what I mean by that. Stand by. It has a serrated blade, and I wanted that because I'm trying to build a Frankenstein knife, and I really like serrated Victorinox knives. They seem to work quite well. I bought two of them. This one's still in the package. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. I tried to put the blades just like in the picture. It's got sort of all the traditional tools you'd expect on a small two-layer, rather thin Victorinox. But the big difference is the serrated blade. And boy, is it sharp and scary. I'll tell you, I wonder if the reason they stopped making this is because of liability. You can really easily cut yourself, especially if you drink a lot of coffee like I do, with this extremely sharp blade. Anyway, let me put it through its paces and show you what it can do. Here are all the features. So it's always good to cut croissants with a very sharp knife, otherwise you can crush them easily. This one's a little bit stale. If you use a very sharp knife, what's nice is you don't squish your product flat. One of my previous videos, I showed cutting through this Leatherman pouch. Really distressed people. I guess they didn't realize this is just a scrap piece of leather, suede, I'm not sure what you call it, that I had in my junk drawer. It's not like I still own this Leatherman, and this pouch is not very good anyway. I didn't use it when I even had that Leatherman. It has no seal, there's no closure. However, it's a good way to demonstrate, you know, will a knife cut through this material, and the answer is yes. So you know the drill. PMI 11mm climbing rope. Pretty easy. This rope is strong enough to lift an Escalade. And finally, safety belt. This is useful to know in case you're in a car accident and your safety belt release mechanism gets destroyed. You want to be able to cut out of your safety belt with a high quality knife. So it seems to cut just about everything I can throw at it. Oh, I forgot, paper. Like butter. Boy, I wish normal Victorinox straight edges were that sharp. Let's do a little experiment. Here's a stick of celery about the size of one of my fingers, a little bigger maybe. Let's see what happens with knife when I just let it snap shut. Slices it clean off. So don't let that be your finger. So I bet a lot of you are like me, you have some of these Swiss Army knives and you I wish it had a flip out knife that's sharp, locks, and one hand opening, and that's exactly what I'm working on.